Hi, how are you?
Hello, how you doing?
Good, very good.
How's everything?
Pleasure meeting you. I see you are tired. Huh?
No, I'm good.
Are you good?
I'm good.
This is the chief of tourism of Guatemala.
So,
W.
Can I have a picture?
Yeah. Real quick. Real quick. 3, 2, is it? Yeah, bro. I love you, bro.
So anyway, we're very happy to have you. I'm the Chief Tourism Officer. My name is Irene, and I work with the Rwanda Development Board.
Okay.
So
Beautiful skin.
Thank you.
Flawless.
Thank you. I'm not allowed to give compliments.
That's good. I love that. I love that.
I return afterwards.
I love that. Thank you.
But otherwise, we're very humbled and very honored to have you.
Yeah.
And it's such a pleasure because such thing will inspire not only the youth but other kind of people.
Yeah.
And it's very honorable for you to have made the time to come to Rwanda.
Thank you so
So
much.
without further ado, I don't know if you know, tomorrow you're going to see the gorillas.
Yeah, the gorillas.
Yes.
It's gonna be a movie.
They're very
We're doing that in the morning?
Yes, very early.
Oh, she said that first.
Yes.
She said they're very early. Don't be late.
Gorillas. Yeah? Tomorrow you will go see
We see the gorillas.
gorillas.
Can we get on their back though?
Oh,
I'm
wow.
trying to do a piggyback
If
ride.
you're early, they will decide.
Really?
Yes.
If I'm early, I can do whatever.
Yes, but you have to wear your mask.
Wear the mask?
Yes, they will teach you that over there.
What kind of mask?
Like a normal mask, like the COVID type
A
of
hard mask?
No, just a normal mask.
Oh, really?
Because you have to protect them, they're very sensitive.
Oh, they'll get sick?
And then the next thing is they're the king of the forest there. So you have to bow down when you see them. But it will be very fun, don't worry.
Okay. Hey.
So, you tell me you know how to shoot.
Yeah, a little bit.
And I'm very good as well.
I can't shoot though. I can't shoot, but let's do it. You can shoot?
Yeah. Very good. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Hey. You just shoot. Hey. Shoot the free throw. Free throw right there.
Okay.
Easy. Oh. Pass it to her. Oh. One more. This one's going in. I'm gonna throw it in there. Good try. Huh? One more.
No, you try and dunk.
No, I can't dunk it. Body is bad. Terrible on me. Love. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Huh? Game 1?
Let's go, game 1.
I got no more games in me. I appreciate y'all for coming though. Thank you so much. Tomorrow I'm gonna be early.
No, you have to.
I'm gonna be early.
You won't see this beautiful.
Really?
Ashton, at what time tomorrow?
So we'll have a small.
We just gotta just talk.
We'll have a small discussion.
Okay.
Just kind of understanding what you've seen.
Okay.
How you feel about Rwanda. What else can you do? And I heard you went to the Kigali Genocide Memorial.
We went where?
You went to the Genocide Memorial.
Yeah, we did.
Wow. So how was it?
It was crazy. It was really beautiful. I mean, what you guys did with the memorial, for me, it happened 32 years ago. I'm 30 years old, so it's like I feel like a lot of people can overlook bad things because we hear a lot of bad things.
Exactly.
But being there, I feel like I could really have deep sympathy for the ones who have lost someone, or the ones who feel any trauma from that situation. So
it's a humbling experience, and you can imagine.
Can you say something to Sudan?
Huh?
Say something to Sudan.
You interrupted her though.
We love Sudan.
We love Sudan.
The what?
Sudan is close to here?
No. I mean, there's South Sudan and there's Sudan as well, but it's a few hours away on flight. Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll have a bit of sitting here. We'll discuss. Yes. I think they have something for you.
Rwanda.
Visit Rwanda.
Yeah.
So you can put her.
Huh?
This is yours.
The only condition is to wear them.
Oh, really?
No, just for the picture.
Oh, for the picture. Let's do it.
Can we proceed?
We're gonna sit down?
Yes, please. You'll be here?
Yes, you see.
My boy got his hat all the way on. Only.
So how are you again? You've been very busy.
Very busy.
Yes.
Been very busy, but I mean, you guys have too much to offer.
Really? That's good to hear.
It's too much to offer.
Yeah?
Gorillas, the cows, the safari. You know what I'm saying?
You've been there?
We're supposed to do all of those. We haven't done any of those yet. So far we went to go see Ashton's smallest place, his crib.
Have you ever seen the big five, the lion?
The big who?
The big five, you know, for the safari? The
No, I haven't seen the big five.
Oh, never seen a lion?
Hey, Corona, her mic isn't on. No, I haven't seen the big lion. I want to go see the gorilla though. Gorilla is my favorite animal.
Tomorrow you will see the silverback.
Silverback? Oh, silverback.
Yeah, it's the dominant male. Yeah, he has a lot of wives. Female.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's allowed to.
A lot of wives? Dang, really?
Yes, it's very interesting when you get.
Let me see. Oh, beer.
You only have one.
Which one has more battery?
Really? Hey. Chad, did y'all know that? As a gorilla, you get multiple wives. This gorilla has 40 kids. 40. Too many. How many kids you want? Two. Two and done.
Wow, why two only? You can have as many as you want.
This is my plan.
How many kids do you want?
How many kids?
How many kids
How
do
many
you
children? Babies? 2 or 3?
want?
How many do you have now? None.
Yeah. It's like I can't say it live. I can't say
None.
it
He
live.
got none. He has none, Chad. He has none.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what else have you seen since you've been here? I've seen some videos.
What else have I seen? We went to
think
the memorial. We talked about the memorial.
Yeah.
That was really, I mean, I don't really like going to see like the trauma and stuff like that's not really my thing because it's sad, but that was very interesting.
Yeah.
I feel like I needed to see
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And I feel like a lot of people, if you come to Granda, you have to go there for sure.
Yes, yes.
So I'm very blessed to be able to,
That's good. That's good. That's
see
good.
what happened in the past.
And we are very humbled by that. And another thing is, I've seen that you were wearing the attire, the traditional attire, the Michelin.
All the green.
Yes.
Yeah. All three
Yeah.
of us wore it.
It's similar to the green that we will wear for the ceremony for the gorillas.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's the same green. So I was actually impressed. I was like, how did he know that?
Oh,
So
really?
tomorrow you will see all that. And anything else that you'd like to see, experience before you leave?
I mean, I've seen so much already. Even leaving last night, we were supposed to leave last night because I had
yes, I
I had a
know.
very, very important business meeting.
Oh, really?
But I missed it due to, I guess now you can't fly into Uganda. If you go to Uganda,
Then you'll be rerouted, yes.
gotta stay for
yes.
20 days.
Yeah.
So I said, oh man, that was my flight. My connecting flight was through Uganda. So I just see it as a sign God wanted me to stay. But I was really sad to leave. I didn't want to leave. But bittersweet, we got to stay. Another day with my guy. Another few days maybe.
Yeah.
Both of my guys.
And then,
So yeah, I mean, I felt like I've seen a lot already.
That's
I
good.
feel complete, full already. But I'm
is
gonna do
your
whatever.
first time to Africa?
First time to Africa.
Wow.
Yeah, this is my 5th country in Africa.
So what do you think you want to do with Africa or Rwanda?
With Granda, all right. With Africa, what do I want to do with them?
Like with the country, anything
With
special?
Africa, I want to show. I want to show all of Africa.
Wow.
So I feel like in America we kind of see one side, but we don't see all the sides. I saw so many like nice places,
Exactly.
clean. They don't know this is cleaner than where my city,
Exactly.
Miami.
Wow.
Rwanda is cleaner. This city, what is it,
Exactly.
Kigali? It's
Kigali is
cleaner
the
than
capital.
Miami. And I never expected that, being from the States, I never expected that. So when I was headed here, I wanted to show all of the things that I feel like I never knew about Africa.
That's good, that's
and then
very
Granda as well, 100%.
So we look forward to having you again.
Oh,
hopefully.
we're coming. This is second home,
Oh,
third
this is
home.
nice. nice.
Yeah,
This
for
is
sure.
nice.
Yeah.
Afrika for hard.
Yeah. So this is his first time.
Oh, your first time as well?
This is first time leaving India ever.
Really? Wow, this is
And
amazing.
he came straight to Africa, the motherland.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, which other countries are you visiting?
This was supposed to be our last stop, but you know, we pray about it and we see, you know, what could be next, if anything.
Nice, that's nice.
I know if we were actually leaving last night, we're gonna do the East Africa. So we're gonna come back here so I can get more time with my guys and do like all of most of
This
East
is
Africa.
nice. So you do Tanzania, Kenya,
Tanzania, Congo.
Uganda.
Congo's out here, right?
Yes,
Ethiopia,
DRC. Yeah,
Ethiopia,
South Sudan
Uganda,
as well.
huh?
South Sudan as well.
South Sudan, you know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we hope to host you again, and without further ado, we know tomorrow you have to wake up so early for the gorillas.
She keeps saying that.
Yes, because you have to be on the road by
Chat, she's saying tomorrow
4:30.
you gotta wake up early.
You have to be on the road by 4:30. Yes.
So that means we're supposed to be asleep 15 minutes ago.
Exactly, I know, right?
We're supposed to already be asleep like right now. So I'm in the negatives already, and my blood pressure is up, heart rate up. You know what I'm saying?
So what we're going to do is perhaps have some pictures, if you don't mind.
Let's do it. That's easy.
Yes. Yes. So pictures. Yes, outside.
Let me.
They're pulling the cars up, so the cars get here. And riding in the car, going to the gym.
Okay. Love, brother.
Oh, you
Oh,
can
really?
Qatar.
Love,
So you
Kenta.
wait, we give
Love.
you a picture after.
Are we doing pictures right here?
So here? Photo is here. No, actually, it's this side. It's this side, yes.
What's up? What's up?
Wow, they love you. Oh my God.
They love him.
Yes, all of you guys. Barabakunda cyane. Akagomba kwambara. Okay, very good.
Just hold the shirt in front of you. Hold the shirt.
Kubera ko tugiye kuyipostinga.
Hold it in front of you.
Yes, it's government. They can't be naked when we post it. Hi, how are you?
Just hold it up.
But just hold it like this. That boy's gonna put
Hold
the shirt
it.
on.
Are you okay with that? Hold it.
Yeah.
Tunaposta bambaye gutya.
Yeah.
They can't because of government.
Oh,
Yeah, sorry.
let's do it.
Yes.
You guys, 1, 2.
Thank you. Such a pleasure.
So good to meet you.
Looking forward to hear tomorrow.
Cool. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.
Why?
Let's do it. The cars are where?
Thank you so much. This has been good.
Looking forward
Yes.
to tomorrow. Thank you.
Oh.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Oh yes. No, sorry.